Welcome to our detailed comparison of the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the GSKY Hair Clippers. Today, we will explore the key differences and similarities between these two popular grooming tools. Whether you're a professional barber or someone looking to maintain your hairstyle at home, choosing the right clipper is crucial. Let's dive into the specifics of each product, starting with their price and overall value. When it comes to pricing, the Novah Professional Hair Clippers are priced at $99 United States dollars, while the GSKY Hair Clippers are available for $130 United States dollars. Although Novah is slightly more affordable, it's essential to consider the features and quality that each product offers for the price. Let's see how these prices reflect on their respective features. The Novah Clippers focus on precision cutting with a powerful motor and multiple guards, making them ideal for various hair types. In contrast, the GSKY Clippers offer a more versatile grooming kit that includes additional tools such as a trimmer and razor, catering to a broader range of grooming needs. This difference in features can significantly influence your choice depending on your grooming requirements. In terms of build quality, the Novah Clippers are constructed from durable metals, suggesting longevity and robustness. On the other hand, the GSKY Clippers utilize stainless steel, which may not be as durable as metal but offers a sleek design. Understanding the materials used in these products can help you decide which clipper will stand the test of time in your grooming routine. In conclusion, both the Novah and GSKY hair clippers have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The Novah offers precision and durability, while the GSKY provides versatility and a comprehensive grooming kit. Depending on your grooming needs and budget, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and grooming